In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge table cells in Google Docs. Merging table cells is an incredibly useful feature, especially when you need to organize data or create headings in your documents. This feature helps in streamlining the presentation of information, giving your tables a cleaner, more professional look. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to begin by highlighting the cells you wish to merge. Ensure that these cells are adjacent to each other, either horizontally or vertically, as non-adjacent cells cannot be merged. To select the cells, click and hold your mouse button down on the first cell. Then drag over the other cells you want to include, releasing the button only when you've highlighted all necessary cells. Being precise in selecting the cells is crucial, as this will determine how the merged cell will appear within your table. Once you've highlighted your chosen cells, it's time to bring the merging feature into play. There are a couple of easy methods to do this in Google Docs. The first method involves interacting directly with your mouse. Right-click anywhere on the highlighted area. This action will open a contextual menu giving you various options related to table customization. From this menu, locate and click on Merge Cells. Instantly, you'll see your selected cells become one cohesive unit. Alternatively, if you prefer to use the toolbar options at the top of the screen, you can go about merging in a slightly different way. With your cells still highlighted, move your cursor up to the top menu and click on Format. Under Format, you'll see a drop-down list. Navigate down to the Table option. Hover over it, and you'll be given several further choices. Look for Merge Cells and give it a click. The result will be the same, a seamlessly merged cell ready for you to populate with information. Merging cells not only helps in adapting the structure of your data, but also enhances the aesthetic layout of your document. If you ever need to unmerge your cells, rest assured that reversing the action is a straightforward process in Google Docs. Simply click on the merged cell, then right-click and opt for Unmerge Cells, or navigate back to the Format menu and select Unmerge Cells from the Table options. These merging techniques can serve various beneficial purposes, such as creating headers or grouping related information visually. So the next time you're working with tables in Google Docs, feel confident in merging those cells with ease, keeping your documents looking sharp and organized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our tips and tricks for enhancing your document creation skills.